brief announcement, just an appointment. Now, the Penang Hill Corporation today announced the appointment of Mr. Maklan bin Ali as a General Manager of Penang Hill Corporation. Encik Maklan Ali started his career with Telecom and was involved in the copper, cable and optical fiber system telecommunications project implementation in Sarawak. He joined Celcom assuming different roles in both operation and maintenance activities in cellular communication engineering. Prior to taking up this new position, Maklan was the head of operations for Langkawi Cable Car of Prasarana Berhad, an aerial road transportation system and a leading tourist destination of Langkawi. Langkawi Cable Car accounts for the largest share of tourist visitors in Langkawi, exceeding 700,600 per year. Under his management, Langkawi Cable Car was able to achieve commendable results in its key corporate performance indicators. Maklan and his management team participated in the internal capacity building of Langkawi Cable Car, as well as in the development of the company capability in crisis management. With his extensive experience, Maklan will be a valuable addition to our team. And we believe that the new management lineup, with the support from the stakeholders, will be able to transform Penang Hill into a resort, in a key resort of choice with many new and exciting projects. Okay, this is Encik Maklan. I think dia start pada 1 bulan Mac. So ini kita rasa adalah seorang jurutera yang ada banyak pengalaman, di mana kita pun dah kaji itu resume beliau. Dan beliau adalah merupakan bekas Head of Operations Cable Car untuk Langkawi, yang terakhir lah, jawatan terakhir. Beliau adalah seorang jurutera daripada UKN dalam Electrical, Electronics and System Engineering sebelum mendapat Masters in Business Administration pada 2003. Sebelum ini adalah Diploma in Science dalam ITM, Engineering Degree Ijazah dalam UKN, dan kemudian Masters in Business Administration di UiTM. Itu adalah dia punya latar belakang ini. Okey, ada apa-apa soalan?
We have a photo session handing over of notes.
Oh, okay. Right. Alright, so kalau tak ada, kita angkat gambar tu lah. Oh, dia ada kamu sekali. N, kau dia salah kali.